Keeping your home clean shouldn't feel like a daily struggle. Dust, pet hair, and constant sweeping can quickly become overwhelming. That's where smart robot vacuums come in. With powerful suction, intelligent mapping, and hands-free cleaning, these devices make life easier and more efficient. Today, I'll show you the top 5 best smart robot vacuums you can buy right now. Perfect for busy homes, pet owners, and anyone who wants effortless cleaning. We've researched features, performance, and user feedback to build this list. Check links in the description for the latest prices. Number 5. Liectroux X6 Robot Vacuum Cleaner. The Liectroux X6 is a powerful smart vacuum designed for precision cleaning with its advanced laser navigation system. It features strong 6500 PA suction, making it effective for deep cleaning carpets and hard floors. With multi-floor mapping and zone cleaning, it intelligently adapts to different spaces in your home. The wet and dry mopping function adds extra versatility, while the app-controlled restricted areas give you full control over where it cleans. Ideal for large homes, this robot combines smart navigation with powerful performance for a complete cleaning solution. Number 4. Lenovo Smart Sweeping Robot Mini. The Lenovo Smart Sweeping Robot Mini is a compact and quiet cleaning solution, perfect for small spaces and apartments. Its 3-in-1 design allows sweeping, vacuuming, and mopping in one device, making daily cleaning simple and efficient. The low-noise operation ensures it won't disturb your work or relaxation time. Despite its small size, it effectively handles dust and light debris, especially on hard floors. If you're looking for an affordable, space-saving robot vacuum for basic cleaning tasks, this Lenovo model is a practical and convenient choice. Number 3. BOAIMORE Robot Vacuum Cleaner Combo Mop. The BOAIMORE Robot Vacuum offers a strong 6000 PA suction power, making it excellent for picking up dust, dirt, and pet hair. Its combo vacuum and mop function ensures a deeper clean across different surfaces. With Wi-Fi and voice control support, you can easily manage cleaning schedules using your smartphone or smart assistants. The auto recharge feature ensures it returns to the dock when the battery is low. Designed for modern homes, this vacuum is a great choice for pet owners and busy households looking for reliable, hands-free cleaning. Number 2. Lefant M3 Max Robot Vacuum. The Lefant M3 Max stands out with its ultra-powerful 2000 Pascal suction, delivering deep cleaning performance for even the toughest dirt and debris. It features anti-tangle brushes, making it perfect for homes with pets or long hair. The dual spinning mop system ensures thorough floor cleaning, while the auto mop washing feature adds convenience by reducing manual work. Its smart navigation and efficient cleaning patterns cover more area with precision. If you want a high-performance robot vacuum with advanced mopping and minimal maintenance, this model is a top-tier option. Number 1. ABIR G20S Robot Vacuum Cleaner. The ABIR G20S takes the top spot with its balanced performance, smart features, and reliable cleaning power. With 6000 PA suction, it handles both carpets and hard floors efficiently. The map memory function allows it to remember your home layout for smarter and faster cleaning. It also supports electric wet mopping for improved floor care. With Wi-Fi app control and remote upgrades, this vacuum stays updated and easy to manage. Perfect for everyday use, the ABIR G20S delivers a complete smart cleaning experience at an excellent value. Smart robot vacuums make cleaning faster, easier, and completely hands-free. From powerful suction to intelligent mapping and mopping features, these 5 models offer great value for every type of home. Whether you need basic cleaning or advanced automation, there's a perfect option here. Which one do you prefer? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews.